Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by fixing the common permission and sensor gaps. Enable location and switch to high accuracy so GPS, Wi-Fi, and cellular all contribute. Grant the app precise location permission. On newer Android, Fine and Approximate are separate, so make sure Fine is allowed. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning are enabled in system settings because passive scanning dramatically improves fixed speed and reliability, especially in urban canyons or indoors where GPS alone fails. Next, you run diagnostics to find why the fix fails. Inspect the app's last known location timestamps and logs to see if stale data is returned. Clear app cache or data and toggle background location access, then restart the app to force fresh requests. If persistent, use developer options or ADB to verify mock locations are off and to request a GPS status dump. This helps you see satellite locks and accuracy metrics. Also check if battery optimizations are restricting location updates. And finally, perform the decisive steps. Reboot the device to force a cold GPS start, then take the device outdoors with clear sky view and wait for a full satellite lock to confirm hardware works. Update Google Play services and the app and reinstall if corruption is suspected. If problems remain, test the app on another phone or boot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference. One key tip: if nothing helps, a factory reset can confirm a software-level issue, but backup data first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.